New to chess. These are new to chess. They know only how pieces move and how they capture. That is it. No visualization, no memorization, and no pattern recognition. If you are in this category, just play a lot of games of chess and watch basic how to improve at chess videos like this one. Growth in this stage is very easy. Just try to reduce your blunders and play with focus. But most importantly, do not resign. Players in this stage have a high probability of losing a major piece, blundering the king, or they might fail to checkmate you with 5 queens. So if you have a dead losing position, it's worth fighting until your opponent checkmates you. The game might end in a draw anyway. Noob. They are known as noobs. These players are better than those who are new to chess, within yellow range between 250 to 500. They have mastered piece movement and know some special moves like en passant and castling. They think this is a brilliant idea. The bishop is attacking the queen, which is defended by the knight. Literally, they start thinking as if they solved a problem that requires a higher level of IQ. I am not joking. My friend, who started chess 1 month ago, saw this pattern for the first time. He traveled 1 mile to come to my home and showed me what he did. Checkmating with 5 queens is hard for them, and their games often end in stalemate due to a lack of simple technique. To pass to the next level, watch some YouTube videos about tactics and solve straightforward puzzles. Literally solve puzzles like mate in 1 and mate in 2. Not hard like this, but as strict as this. Then you will have pattern recognition that makes you able to spot tactics more quickly than a 500 yellow player, allowing you to pass to the next level. Beginner. Players in this category have a yellow range between 500 to 800. These players know how to play chess fully. They can checkmate their opponent and understand basic principles. They have a grasp of what the aim of chess is in general, and they know how to fork and the relative piece values. My advice is to play slowly and think before every move. Always ask, is my piece safe? Focus on basic tactics like forks, pins, and checkmates in 1 or 2 moves. Control the center, develop all your pieces, and castle early. Do daily puzzles and review your mistakes after each game. Stay calm, play focused, and you'll gain 200 yellow fast, which will bring you to the next level. Higher beginners. Advanced beginners, that is their nickname. These players know what a fork is, what a pin is, and different kinds of tactics. They actually play chess better than 55% of chess players. They have a solid understanding of chess and can recognize patterns. Their problem is that they make 4 to 5 blunders per game, and many mistakes usually arise from calculation errors. Paying attention to every move and trying to reduce blunders will help them advance to the next level. If you increase your yellow by 200 points, you will be able to pass to the next level and reach 1000 yellow, which is a rating higher than 80% of chess players. To achieve this, focus on mastering basic tactics, forks, pins, skewers, checkmates. Practice puzzles daily on chess.com or Lichess. Learn key opening principles, control the center, develop pieces, and castle early. Analyze your lost games to find mistakes. Avoid blunders by double-checking your moves. Play slower games, 10+ minutes, to think deeply. 1000 to 1199 rating. If you are at this level, well, congratulations, because you are an E-class player, meaning you are already better than 85% of chess players. For visualization, if there are 20 chess players, you perform better than 17 of them. You would know several tactics and also have strategies. Tactics mean short-term gains or survival techniques, while strategy refers to long-term survival, advantage, and playing style to win. At this level, your biggest goal is to reduce blunders and start thinking strategically. Always follow the opening principles, control the center, develop knights and bishops, and castle early. Avoid unnecessary pawn moves and early queen adventures. Before every move, ask yourself, is this move safe? And what is my opponent threatening? Do daily tactics training to sharpen pattern recognition. Focus on forks, pins, discovered attacks, and basic mates. Spend a few minutes reviewing your games, especially losses, to understand where you went wrong. Learning from mistakes accelerates improvement faster than just playing more games. Start building a simple opening repertoire. Learn the ideas, not memorized lines. Study basic endgames, king plus pawn versus king, opposition, and simple rook endings. Play longer time controls, 10 to 15 minutes, to think clearly and avoid rushing. Consistency, patience, and disciplined thinking will easily push you to 1200 plus and beyond. 1200 to 1399 rating. These are the Class D players who possess a foundational understanding of chess principles, including basic tactics and strategies. They can recognize common patterns, execute simple openings, and understand in-game concepts. While they may struggle with advanced tactics and positional play, They are developing their skills and gaining experience through practice and competitive play. They can be considered intermediate. At the 1200 to 1399 level, you already understand basic tactics and openings. Now it's time to refine accuracy, planning, and consistency. Focus on creating a plan after the opening based on pawn structure. Identify weak squares, open files, and good outposts. Don't just make good-looking moves. Play moves with purpose. Keep sharpening your tactical vision with daily puzzles, but start studying positional concepts like piece activity, space control, and the importance of the bishop pair. Learn simple endgames. Opposition, pawn promotion, and rook activity are key to converting advantages. Analyze your own games deeply. For every loss, find the moment your position turned bad and ask why. Limit opening variety. Master 1 to 2 openings as white and black, understanding their plans, not just moves. Play rapid games, 10 to 15 minutes, to balance depth and practice. Stay calm under pressure, trust your plans, and you'll confidently reach 1600 plus with steady progress. 1400 to 1599 rating. These players are called Class C players. They exhibit a solid understanding of chess fundamentals. They can beat 90% of chess players and can effectively implement basic tactics and strategies, recognize threats, and make informed decisions during play. At 1400 to 1599, improvement comes from strategy and precision. Focus on planning, study pawn structures, weak squares, and piece activity. Keep tactics sharp with daily puzzles, but prioritize understanding plans in your openings instead of memorizing moves. Analyze your games deeply, find recurring mistakes and missed opportunities. Improve in-game technique, king activity, rook endings, opposition. Play rapid games, 10 to 15 minutes, for thoughtful decision-making, and review them immediately. Watch strong players explain their plans to learn practical thinking. Stay calm under pressure, avoid impulsive sacrifices, and convert small advantages patiently. Doing this consistently will push you confidently toward the 1800 level. 1600 to 1799 rating. What are these players' names? Yes, you guessed it, Class B players. They know openings, plan attacks, and smell tactics from miles away. Still, one misclick or overconfident sacrifice can turn winning easily into "how did I lose that?" They're smart, dangerous, and occasionally allergic to simple endgames. At the Class B level, you already play strong chess. Now it's about refinement. Focus on accuracy, consistency, and deep understanding. Study advanced positional ideas, outposts, pawn breaks, space control, and piece coordination. Analyze master games to learn long-term planning. Keep sharpening tactics daily, but spend more time on in-game mastery, especially rook and minor piece endings. Play classical or 15+10 games to think deeply and avoid impulsive moves. After each game, review critical moments, not just blunders. Stay patient. Improving from 1600 to 1800 plus comes from clean play, not flashy attacks. Remember, quiet moves win tournaments, not just tactics. 1800 to 1999 rating. The Class A players are those who take chess seriously, with yellow ratings between 1800 and 1999. They exhibit advanced tactical and strategic skills and possess a deep understanding of openings, middle game tactics, and in-game principles. These players can analyze complex positions, anticipate opponents' moves, and formulate effective plans. Their experience allows them to adapt to various styles, making them formidable competitors in chess. They make 0.8 blunders per game, which means they average 8 blunders out of 10 games. If they avoid their mistakes and blunders, these players have a chance to compete in international tournaments and face top players like Magnus or Levy. Generally, if you are below 2000 yellow, your focus should be on reducing the blunders you make. The best way to do this is to improve your tactical awareness, meaning you need to work on finding tactics and visualizing calculations to avoid making tactical mistakes that significantly compromise your position. 2000 plus rating. These are experts. They are rated between 2000 and 2199. They are already 5 moves ahead in a position and possess advanced tactical and strategic skills. Their strong decision-making and pattern recognition make them formidable competitors in the chess community. They represent the top 1% of chess players. At this point, all you need to do is push a little more because the next level is the first step in the international chess title hierarchy. You will become candidate master, CM. In short, you will possess a certain standing in the chess world. Improvement is all about precision and deep calculation. Focus on advanced openings, middle game plans, and in-game technique. Analyze your games deeply, spotting small inaccuracies. Study master games, refine calculation skills, and train complex tactics daily. Play longer time controls, stay patient, and avoid overconfidence. Consistent, High-quality practice will push you to 2200 plus. I can't go any further in rating. First, I myself am a 2000 rated player, so I can't advise a player who is better than me. Second, I don't think a person watching this video will have a 2200 plus rating. If you do, please let me know in the comments.